YouTube is not recommending your video, not just because your content is bad, but because you have not understand how the recommendation system actually works. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make YouTube push your video to a lot of people using this simple algorithm trick that is working right now in October 2025. Let's dive into it. Number 1, I will explain to you how the YouTube recommendation system actually works. YouTube does not randomly promote video, but it recommends what viewers are most likely to watch next. It studies viewers' behavior, like who click, how long they stay to watch, and if they watch another video after watching your video. So the more your video keep people engaged, the more YouTube recommends it to smaller viewers. So your focus should be viewers' behavior, not just tag and title. If you help YouTube keep people watching, YouTube will help you grow. Number 2 is to know the first 24 hours rule. The first 24 hours after uploading video on YouTube tests it with smaller viewers, maybe a few hundred people who watch smaller content. So if those early viewers watch for 50% and engage, YouTube will expand the reach. But if they burst quickly, YouTube will stop recommending the video because it sends signal to the YouTube algorithm that the video is not useful. So what you need to do right now is to boost your early engagement. Post in the community tab, share your video to groups, and reply to fast comments. I mean reply to comments fast, because that momentum will tell YouTube that your video deserves a bigger test. Number 3 secret to make YouTube push your video to wider audience is called the watch chain tricks. YouTube love when viewers watch multiple videos from one channel. For example, number 1, end each video by recommending another video of yours. Number 2, use end string, cards, and pin comments.
So guys, I'm in my YouTube studio right now. A lot of creators are asking me how can I put end string in my video, so I decided to make this string record to help you guys. So you will see create on the top, click the create, and you see upload, go live, create post, new playlist, new broadcast. You click the upload, and after clicking the upload, you click this sign here and you press allowed, and after pressing the allowed, you go process your video you want to post. The long video, you can't post short and put end string, only long video. You can't post short and put end string, only long video, about 5 minutes video, and you have access to put end string. So posting video on the YouTube studio, on the YouTube dashboard, there are a lot of features, and you can see the features, a lot of features that will help you to get more views. I will teach you that in my next video. You can see elements. I'm showing you on the screen element, click, and visibility. You click the element to put the string, you click the element, and after clicking the element, you can see it on the screen. You add subtitle. You can have the access to add subtitle on your video automatically through this YouTube dashboard, and you will see add end string. After seeing the add end string, you click it. So this is the type of end string you choose, like select in your video. There are so many type of end string, the way you want it to position in the ending of your video. So I'll be choosing one particularly, this one. Like the end of my video will look somehow like this. I mean the end of my video will look like this. So to put this end string, you can choose it from your most recent video or your best video that have the most highest views. That means your popular video. And also you can still choose it from any of your video, but now we choose it from any of my video, like my best video I like most, so you can see how it look like. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more of my video. Thank you. So this is how it look like. Immediately your viewers watch your video to the end, after seeing the end string, they would like to watch more of your video, and the algorithm will push your video faster. You send signal to the YouTube algorithm and people are interested in watching.
So the number 3 thing is to make your thumbnail and title look connected, because even though you create the best video in the whole world and your thumbnail does not describe what your video is all about, nobody will click that particular video. So you need to work on your thumbnail, make your thumbnail be the best thumbnail so people can click your video. The number 4 thing to do to make YouTube push your video, or to make YouTube recommend your video, is to automize your click and watch, because only click alone would save you. So hook them in the first 30 seconds. Deliver what the title promise fast. If viewers click and leave quickly, YouTube will stop recommending your videos. If your title says the algorithm tricks, start by talking about the algorithm tricks in the first 30 seconds to make viewers stay to the end, because that clear deliver boost watch time and viewer certification. The next section is the season time boost, because YouTube measure how long viewers stay on their platform after watching your video. So if your content keep viewers watching your video or watching another video after watching your video, your ranks will start going up. At the end of any of your video, say something like, if you want to learn deeper, watch the next video here. That one sentence extends the viewer season, and YouTube will reward you by pushing your video further. The last and not the least is to post consistency, because it feeds the algorithm. The YouTube algorithm need more data. The more consistency you post, the more it learns who your audience is. Upload at least 3 times in a week. Stay in your niche and avoid more breaks. And if you stop uploading for weeks, your audience will change and the system will reset, because consistency builds trust with both your viewers and the algorithm. So now that you know how to make YouTube recommend your video, it is time to learn how to make viewers click them. In my next video, I will show you how to craft thumbnail and title that will double your CTRO. And if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my video. Right now I put the seller link on my YouTube bio. If you want to support my YouTube channel financially, you can do that with the seller link. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.